I'm Arvelyn Lewis and I sell real estate. And sometimes when you're ready to sell your home, you've got to do some renovations. Sometimes the renovations may have needed to be done quite some time ago. Sometimes they're just needed to make the house sparkle and spruce. My team of professionals is available. And not only do they do a great job, but they do it for financing options. Yes, that's right. They have financing options available. And if you're going to be selling, just give me a call and we can discuss how to get these renovations done on your home. Again, I'm Arvelyn Lewis and I sell real estate. So here it is. Once completely finished, the paint is fully done. I'll take you around and let you experience what it looks like with a fresh coat of paint. This, as I said with the previous video, is what tends to happen sometimes when folks are considering selling their home. A fresh coat of paint can add lots of value to a home as it's getting ready to go to the market. It just looks like it's brand new. And not only does it actually add value to the buyer because it's I'm going to go ahead and say a repair that they don't have to make for years to come. It's work that's already been done, and they aren't going to have to consider what the siding is going to do in a short amount of time, and everything is given extra life, and it just looks beautiful. Don't you think it looks great? That's what the good thing a coat of paint, a fresh coat of paint, can do to a house. I'm Arvelyn Lewis. I sell real estate. I'd love to be a realtor.